So we're here in the completed garden. We never got a chance to do a final walkthrough right when we finished it, but it's even more exciting to do it a year after the fact because everything is blooming, really looking fantastic. We're out here on a late spring, early summer afternoon. You can just see tons of little birds and bees humming around. There's a little bird right above us, really showcasing how much a garden like this will attract local wildlife. And one of the goals of the project was to complement local Alum Park, which is just a few blocks away from us. And they want to bring a feel of that park into their home garden. So we incorporated a ton of locally native plants, ceanothus, manzanita, half dozen different local grasses, yarrow, and we really think we've achieved that goal just by all the activity here in the garden. Some of the really cool features that we installed was, as in a lot of our gardens, was this bioretention swale. We installed several large specimen boulders, which really create a cool effect to make it feel like a park somewhere. Now the plants are filling in, it really kind of ties in the swale and the different mounding and the topography of the garden, creating a really cool welcoming effect. And it's so exciting to see it filling in now, especially in this beautiful summer afternoon. So when the swale was first under construction, it looked like just a lot of rocks and boulders, and it can feel a little stark, but as the plants fill in, it really softens the look of it, and it really makes everything blend in quite nicely. So it's really fun to compare and contrast how it looks when it first gets put in to what it's intended to look when the plants are mature. And this is just barely 1 year, so as it matures more and more, it'll really enhance the look of the plant and rock, and I think create a much more natural feel and not looking so kind of manipulated and man-made. So it's really fun to see over time how that works. And also, many times when we're putting these in, we'll get like, are you guys building a pond? It's a cool looking pond you're building there. But really it's intended to be a way to hold and capture the water and keep it on site. The goal being not to have the water recirculate, but to slow the water, capture it on site, and slowly percolate into the ground where the roots can uptake it. You can recharge the local aquifer, feed the critters in the soil, and basically create a biodynamic planting situation. Ponds are fantastic, but it's slightly different than what our intention was here. So maybe you've noticed when we were first putting in the Corten planters, they looked very obvious in the garden. They didn't maybe blend in quite as much as you would think, but now the plants are filling in. It really softens the look of the Corten, and actually you can almost barely see them here, but just kind of complementing the plants and just being very subtle in the garden now, with their intended goal to be to screen the patio, so people could sit on the patio, have some screening, but still see all the plants. So I think they blend in fantastically now. And you've got the full patina of the metal now, so it's really cool to watch it age over time.